Number 15. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is an impressive ultralight drone designed to give creators high-end performance in a compact and easy-to-fly package, making it ideal for travel, content creation, and everyday aerial filming. Despite its small size, it is equipped with a powerful camera capable of capturing smooth 4K footage with vibrant detail, supported by advanced image stabilization that ensures every shot comes out sharp and cinematic. The drone features intelligent flight modes that allow users to track subjects, fly predetermined routes, and capture automated cinematic movements with just a tap, making professional-style videos accessible even to beginners. It also boasts upgraded obstacle avoidance sensors that help prevent collisions in complex environments, along with an extended flight time that lets users stay in the air longer without constantly swapping batteries. Lightweight and foldable, it is easy to carry anywhere while its reliable transmission technology ensures stable control and clear video feed over long distances, offering a premium aerial experience in a highly portable form. Number 14. The DJI Mini 4K is a compact and lightweight drone designed to bring high-quality aerial filming to a wide range of users, offering a blend of simplicity, portability, and powerful imaging capabilities. Number 13, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro represents a leap forward in consumer drone technology, designed for creators who demand professional-level imaging and flexibility in a foldable aerial platform. At its core is a triple-camera system, headlined by a 100 MP wide-angle lens developed in partnership with Hasselblad, which captures 6K IR 60 FPS HDR video and ultra-detailed stills, while accompanying medium telephoto and telephoto lenses expand creative reach from sweeping landscapes to distant close-ups. Its standout infinity gimbal enables a full 360-degree rotation, giving filmmakers the freedom to tilt, roll, or shoot vertically without compromising stability or image quality. Flight performance is also markedly enhanced with long-endurance battery capability, advanced O4 Plus transmission offering extended range and low-latency video link, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, including new LiDAR and zero point 0.1 lux night vision systems for safe navigation, even in dimly lit or complex environments. The Mavic 4 Pro's elevated color grading support, 10-bit D-Log across all cameras, dual native ISO fusion, and high-speed RAW stacking underline its focus on serious aerial cinematography, making it one of DJI's most capable drones for creators seeking advanced features in a compact, travel-friendly form. Number 12. The DJI Flip is a highly portable and user-friendly drone that redefines accessibility for creators looking to capture stunning aerial content without complexity. Sporting a sleek foldable design and weighing in under typical registration thresholds, it enables effortless takeoffs from the palm of your hand and swift stow-and-go portability. It boasts a 4K video camera mounted on a stabilized gimbal system that keeps footage smooth even when in motion, and its intelligent flight modes allow the drone to autonomously orbit, follow, or frame subjects while you focus on the creative side of shooting. The drone's transmission technology delivers a robust live feed, so you can monitor and steer your shots with confidence, even at extended ranges, and its improved flight time ensures you've got enough airtime to experiment and capture dynamic sequences. Built with both beginners and content creators in mind, the DJI Flip strikes a balance between form and function, lightweight, agile, and packed with smart features, making it a superb choice for anyone wanting high-quality aerial video without the bulk of a large-scope system. Number 11. The DJI Flip is a highly portable and user-friendly drone that redefines accessibility for creators looking to capture stunning aerial content without complexity. Sporting a sleek foldable design and weighing in under typical registration thresholds, it enables effortless takeoffs from the palm of your hand and swift stow-and-go portability. It boasts a 4K video camera mounted on a stabilized gimbal system that keeps footage smooth even when in motion, and its intelligent flight modes allow the drone to autonomously orbit, follow, or frame subjects while you focus on the creative side of shooting. The drone's transmission technology delivers a robust live feed so you can monitor and steer your shots with confidence, even at extended ranges, and its improved flight time ensures you've got enough airtime to experiment and capture dynamic sequences. Built with both beginners and content creators in mind, The DJI Flip strikes a balance between form and function, lightweight, agile, and packed with smart features, making it a superb choice for anyone wanting high-quality aerial video without the bulk of a large scope system. Number 10. The DJI Air 3S is a remarkable step up in the travel-friendly drone category, blending portability with serious imaging and flight performance capabilities to satisfy both enthusiasts and professional creators. Equipped with a high-quality 50MP 1E wide-angle sensor paired with a 48MP 1R 1.3R medium telephoto camera, approximately 70 megapixels. It allows you to capture stunning aerial stills and videos from broad scenic vistas to more zoomed-in detail shots. With video performance reaching up to 4K at 120 FPS and Full HD up to 240 FPS, the Air 3S opens the door to cinematic slow motion and dynamic motion sequences, while the high bitrate and enhanced low light sensitivity mean night scenes and challenging lighting conditions are no longer limiting. Its compact, foldable design, combined with a flight time of up to around 45 minutes and a transmission link that offers long-distance, low-latency control, ensures that you've got ample airtime and creativity without being tethered to bulky rigs. The advanced obstacle sensing system, with omnidirectional sensors and forward-facing LiDAR, adds a strong layer of safety and confidence during flight in complex environments, letting you focus on the demo-worthy shots rather than navigation worries. All told, the Air 3S stands out as an all-rounder that doesn't compromise on image quality, creative flexibility, or flight convenience. Number 9. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a flagship foldable drone that elevates aerial cinematography by combining a professional-grade triple camera system with refined flight performance and cutting-edge imaging capabilities. Its main wide-angle camera features a 430-bar CMOS Hasselblad sensor and variable aperture lens, delivering stunning clarity, rich dynamic range, and accurate colors even in challenging light. Complementing that are two telephoto lenses, a 70mm medium telephoto with a 1.3 sensor, and a 166mm long telephoto with a 1R2 sensor, offering optical zoom and creative framing flexibility that enables everything from sweeping landscapes to faraway subjects with cinematic compression. The drone also boasts long flight time, up to around 43 minutes under ideal conditions, reliable long-range transmission, and comprehensive obstacle sensing to help you fly with confidence. Together, these features make the Mavic 3 Pro a powerful, travel-friendly platform that bridges the gap between hobby-level drones and professional rigs, ideal for creators who demand premium image quality and creative versatility without giving up portability. Number 8. The DJI Neo is an ultra-compact drone purpose-built for spontaneous aerial capture, weighing a mere 135 grams, which enables effortless hand launch and landing from the palm of your hand. Its 4K video capability and stabilized flight make it ideal for capturing cinematic shots on the fly, whether indoors or outdoors, with subject tracking and quick shot modes, delivering intelligent framing and motion, even without expert piloting. The Neo features an intuitive app-based control system that allows full flight and camera control from your smartphone, and its compact size combined with full-cover propeller guards underscores its suitability for casual travel and lifestyle use. With its high portability, minimal setup, and smart shooting options, the DJI Neo opens up aerial creativity to a wide range of creators who want quality footage without the complexity of larger drones. Number 7. The DJI Avata 2 is an exhilarating FPV first-person view, drone engineered for creators who want immersive aerial footage paired with intuitive controls and robust safety features. Its upgraded camera system boasts a 1.3-inch sensor that captures rich 12MP stills and records in 4K at 60 FPS HDR, delivering cinematic clarity and dynamic range even in fast-moving environments. The ultra-wide 155-degree field of view gives sweeping perspectives that heighten the sense of motion and space, making every flight feel cinematic. Packed with internal 46GB storage and enhanced transmission technology offering up to approximately 13 km of video link range, the Avata 2 lets pilots fly further and record longer without worrying about losing connection. It also introduces new intelligent flight modes, including one-touch flips, rolls, and drifts, as well as a turtle mode that flips the drone upright if it lands upside down, and omnidirectional sensing to help avoid collisions. Features that bring advanced FPV creativity within reach of both beginners and experienced flyers. Number 6. The DJI Mavic 3. Classic stands out as a premium fold-and-go drone engineered for high-quality aerial imaging without the complexity of extra lenses. At the heart of this model is a 20MP 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera with a variable aperture lens that captures expansive vistas with excellent clarity and color fidelity. It supports up to 5.1K video recording, along with 4K at high frame rates, offering rich, detailed footage ideal for impactful visual storytelling. Flight performance is equally impressive, with a transmission range up to 15 kilometers and a flight time reaching into the 40-plus minute zone under ideal conditions. It delivers both reach and endurance. Meanwhile, its omnidirectional sensing system provides all-round obstacle awareness, enabling safer, more confident flying in diverse environments. Lightweight and portable, yet packing professional-level image quality and flight features, the Mavic 3 Classic is a top choice for creators seeking cinematic aerial capture without the bulk and cost of more advanced multi-camera rigs. Number 5. The DJI Mini 3 is a remarkable ultra-lightweight drone that offers a superb blend of portability and imaging performance, making it ideal for creators looking for a capable yet compact aerial platform. Weighing under 250 grams, it avoids many of the regulatory hurdles in numerous regions while delivering serious capture capabilities. Its camera features a large 1.3 sensor together with an f1.7 aperture lens, enabling vibrant, well-exposed stills and smooth 4K HDR video even in lower light conditions. The drone's foldable design makes it truly travel-friendly, while its flight time of up to 38 minutes and even up to 51 minutes with the optional larger battery gives ample airtime for creative exploration. Additionally, it supports true vertical shooting, giving creators the flexibility to capture footage perfectly framed for social media. And its video transmission system offers strong range so you can maintain control and clarity even as you venture further afield. Number 4. The DJI Air 3 is a remarkable foldable drone designed for creators who want professional quality video and flexible shooting options without the bulk of a heavy rig. It features a dual-camera system with matching 1.3 CMOS sensors, one wide-angle and one medium telephoto, allowing you to capture both sweeping landscapes and tighter detail shots with consistent color and clarity. With stills reaching up to 48 MP and video capable of 4K at 60 FPS HDR, the Air 3 delivers impressive imaging versatility. It boasts a flight time of up to about 46 minutes under ideal conditions, giving ample airtime to explore compositions and shoot creatively without rushing. Its transmission system is upgraded for extended range and stability, and the omnidirectional obstacle sensing system gives added confidence when flying in complex environments. Folding down to a travel-friendly size while still packing many advanced features, the DJI Air 3 strikes a compelling balance of portability, power, and creative potential. Number 3. The DJI Mini 2. SE is a remarkably lightweight and accessible drone crafted for creators who want to start capturing aerial moments with ease, packing essential features into a compact design. Weighing under 249 grai, it slips into travel bags and meets regulatory thresholds in many countries, making it highly portable. Its camera system captures 12 MP stills and videos up to 2.7K resolution with the help of a 3-axis gimbal for steady footage, while its transmission system stretches up to around 10 kilometers for reliable remote control and live feed during outdoor flights. With a flight time of up to approximately 31 minutes in ideal conditions and support for intelligent shooting modes like one-tap takeoff, return to home, and quick shots, it offers a strong entry point into aerial videography. Its foldable arms, intuitive control app, and good wind resistance further enhance its practicality for travel and casual creative work. A solid choice for beginners and hobbyists looking to explore aerial perspectives without stepping into larger and more complex rigs. Number 2. The DJI Air 2S is a standout choice for aerial creators seeking high-end imaging and smart flight capabilities in a compact, foldable drone. It features a large 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor paired with a 22mm equivalent f2.8 lens, enabling still images with rich detail and greatly improved low-light performance. On the video side, it supports resolutions up to 5.4K at 30 FPS, together with 4K at 60 FPS, giving you flexible capture options for smooth motion and future-proof content. Its flight performance is solid, with a lightweight body of around 595 meters in transmission via the O3 system, delivering stable, long-range connectivity. The drone's obstacle sensing suite now includes upward, forward, and downward vision sensors and APIS 4.0, making navigation in complex environments more assured. With intelligent flight modes like Master Shots, Smart Photo, and Hyperlapse, it's not just about hardware, but also about making advanced aerial content more accessible. Whether you're framing sweeping landscapes or dynamic action scenes, number 1. The DJI Inspire 2 is a powerhouse aerial filmmaking platform built for professionals who demand cinema-level image quality, exceptional flight performance, and robust redundancy. Equipped with a dedicated image processing engine, Cinecore 2.0, built into the airframe, it supports high-end cameras like the Zenmuse in X5S or X7, enabling capture of 5.2K RAW or ProRes footage and stills at impressive resolutions. On the flight side, it features a dual battery system for added safety, enabling continued safe return if one battery fails, and it accelerates from 0 to 50 miles per hour in mere seconds, while reaching top speeds in excess of 50 mph, making it capable of tracking fast-moving subjects with confidence. The system also includes an advanced obstacle sensing suite with forward, downward, and upward vision sensors, so you can fly complex shots with increased reliability. And its dual operator capability, pilot plus camera operator, means one person can focus on flight while another concentrates purely on composition. With long-range transmission, high-end camera compatibility, and an airframe built to meet professional production standards, the Inspire 2 is engineered to deliver the highest level of aerial cinematography.